Alright, so my son wanted some turkey legs for Thanksgiving, so that's what I'm going to do. That's my sous vide setup here with the Innova precision cooker. So basically I went to the local butcher shop, got 3 large turkey legs, seasoned them with a bunch of kosher salt, pepper, rosemary, and just some slabs of butter. I'm going to bring this up to 145 degrees. Once it's there, we'll sous vide it for about 14 hours. Then we'll let it sit overnight because we're going to eat tomorrow. And I will use a cast iron skillet and sear it. So I'll be back in just a bit to show you the setup once it's up to temperature. Alright, so I ended up throwing the turkey in there a little bit early. It's going to come up to temperature anyways, and over a 14-hour period won't make that big of a difference. So there you can see it's all vacuum sealed in there. It's cooking in there. What I did at the top of this basically water bath kind of box thing that I bought is I just used saran wrap over all of it just to prevent all the water from evaporating. Now there's still a little hole there, but it won't make that much of a difference over a 14-hour period. But that's it. Back in about 14 hours and we will have some tasty turkey legs. Alright, so the legs are done cooking. It's 14 hours now. As you can see, a lot of the juices have come out inside the bag. All I'm going to do now is just refrigerate this overnight. It'll be ready for Thanksgiving tomorrow. What I'm going to do is warm it back up slightly, then I'll just sear it on a cast iron skillet and it'll be ready to go. Alright, so I just put the turkey back on the sous vide cooker for about 30 to 45 minutes just to warm it back up. Here's what we're going to do now. Oops. Just take it out of the bag and we're going to dry it out real good, and then we'll sear it after that on a cast iron skillet. And that's about it. Alright, so this is smoking hot now. I'm going to throw a little bit of oil on here, then we're going to sear the turkey leg. Do both sides for about 45 seconds each and we'll get it nice and crispy. Okay, so our turkey has a nice sear on it, as you can see, so it's ready to go. I just took the drippings from the bag and turned to gravy. All I did was throw a bit of flour on it and just boiled it for a bit. And that's it.